नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण स्टँडर्ड 10 मॅथ पार्ट 2 चॅप्टर नंबर 1 सिमिलॅरिटी प्रेझेंटेड बाय श्री एम बी जवळ सर. आता एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल्सचं सूत्र तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, 1/2 बेस इंटू हाईट. आता सिमिलॅरिटी म्हणजे काय, ते दोन आकृत्यांचे शेप जे असतील ते सारखे असतील म्हणजे सिमिलर असतील. आता एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला पाहिजे AD is the height and BC is the base. Then we can write area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 BC into AD. Then ratio of areas of two triangles. Let us find the ratio of areas of any two triangles. In triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. AD is the height and BC is the base. In triangle PQR, PS is the height and QR is the base. PS is the height and QR is the base. Then we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 BC into AD upon 1/2 QR into PS. Then 1/2 is cancel. Then we can write area of triangle ABC is equal to upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. Hence the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Their base of triangle is B1 and height is H1. Base of another triangle is B2 and height is H2. Then the ratio of their areas is B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. That means base of first triangle into height of first triangle divided by base of second triangle into height of second triangle. We can write another condition number 1. If the height of both triangles are equal, then in triangle ABC height is AD, we can write height is H. Triangle PQR height is PS, this is height is denoted by H. Yeah, PS and AD is equal. Then you can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into H upon QR into H. Height is equal. Then we can write BC upon QR. Therefore, we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 upon B2. Then we can write property, the ratio of the area of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Then next is condition number 2. If the base of both triangles are equal, then we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle EPP is equal to AB into H1 divided by AB into H2. In triangle ABC, their base is AB. Another triangle is APB, also base is AB. We can, height is different, CD and PQ divided by H1 and H2. Therefore, we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB is equal to H1 upon H2. Then we can write the property, the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. This is basic proportionality theorem. That theorem asks for 3 or 4 marks in your SSC board exam. This is very important theorem. We can solve some examples in practice set 1.2 basic proportionality theorem. We can also write short form is BPT theorem. Theorem, if a line parallel to a side of triangle intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Here in triangle ABC, line L parallel line BC. Here line L is parallel to line BC. Then line L intersect AB. Line L intersect AB and AC in point P and Q respectively. Then we can prove that AP upon PB, then AQ upon QC. We can draw construction, join the segment PC and segment BQ. We can write the proof of this theorem. Proof area in triangle APQ and triangle PQB have equal heights. सर्वांनी पुस्तक उघडा समोर आकृतीमध्ये पहा. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल APQ अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQB इज इक्वल टू AP अपॉन PB. Areas proportionate to base because triangles have equal in heights. Then second, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ upon QC. Areas proportionate to base. Segment PQ is common base, therefore of triangle PQB and PQC, segment PQ parallel segment BC. Hence triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal heights. Then area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. We can give the equation number 3. Then from 1, 2, 3 we can write area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. This is AP upon PB, therefore AQ upon QC. Therefore left hand side is equal, then we can write right hand side is also equal. Therefore AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is the proof of basic proportionality theorem. Next property is property of an angle bisector of triangle. Angle bisector theorem याला म्हणतात. The bisector of an angle of a triangle divide the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. आता याच्यामध्ये पहा, in triangle ABC bisector angle C intersects segment AB in the point E. ABC हा एक ट्रायंगल आहे, याच्यामध्ये angle C is intersect by ray CE of line AB. AB लाइन ला तो इंटरसेक्ट करतोय at point E मध्ये. We can write AE upon BE. AE upon BE is equal to CA upon CB. CA upon CB. Draw the line parallel to ray CE passing through the point B. Extend AC to intersect at point D. Then we can prove ray CE parallel ray BD and ray D is transversal. Then corresponding angle test, angle ACE is equal to angle CDB, corresponding angle. Now taking BC is transversal, angle ECB is equal to angle CBD is alternate angles. We can study corresponding angles and alternate angles in standard 9, but angle ACE congruent angle ECB is given. Then we can write angle CBD congruent angle CDB from 1, 2 and 3. In triangle CBD, side CB congruent side CD, there is CB is equal to CD. Now in triangle ABD, segment EC is parallel to segment BD construction. Then by BPT theorem we can write AE upon BE is equal to AC upon CD. Therefore we can write AE upon BE is equal to AC upon CB because CD and CB are equal. Then we can write, instead of CD we can write CB, therefore AC upon CB. Then very important property is three parallel lines and their transversal. The ratio of the intercept made on transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made on any other transversal by same parallel lines. Then line L, parallel line M, parallel line L, LMN, these lines are parallel to each other. Then T1 and T2, T1 and T2 are two transversal, intersect the point ABC, and T2 intersect the point PQR. Then we can write AB upon BC, PQ upon QR. AB upon BC, PQ upon QR. These properties are used in the examples. So today we can learn about basic proportionality theorem. Remember this. Here is triangle ABC. Segment PQ is parallel to line AC. Then we can write by PPT theorem AP upon PB, BP, AP upon BP is equal to QC upon BQ, BQ upon QC. We can write again AP upon BP. We can start from point A, AP upon PB. Then we can write CQ upon QB, or we can also write QC upon BQ. BQ. Converse of BPT theorem. In triangle PQR, we can give PS upon SQ and PT upon TR. These are in proportion. Then we can write segment ST is parallel to side QR. Next, theorem of bisector angle of triangle. Here segment BD is angle bisector of angle B. Then we can write AB upon BC. Here AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DC, because angle B is bisector by angle D. Intersect line AC in point D, then we can write AD upon DC is equal to AB upon BC. Property of three parallel lines. If line AX parallel to line BY, parallel to line CZ, and line L and line M are in transversals, then we can write AB upon BC is equal to XY upon YZ. So we can write all this property in your notebooks. 200 पेज सर्वांनी वही लावायची आहे आणि शाळा सुरू झाल्यावर ती वही मला दाखवायची आणि तपासून घ्यायची. काही शंका असल्यास शाळा सुरू झाल्यावर विचारा. धन्यवाद.